So this is setting network connection, write device driver information, write device information, write routing information. It'll set up hostname and DNS configuration, and it's back. Now if you go ahead and check, you need to go into system, select the terminal, so it starts up a console for you, and as you can now see, I'll go ahead and write spin and if config. So that shows me that I have got an IP address which is from the DHCP server, and to figure out my route I say netstat -nr, so it would show me the route, and this is an important entry. It says for any IP address I'm going to use this gateway. Now for your system it would differ. Okay, so for example, if you're setting up beam cable, when you configure device in DHCP, this particular IP address for the default gateway would typically be 124.123.65.1, and that's because the default gateway in the case of beam cable in Hyderabad is also runs a DHCP server. The other important thing is taking a look at the resolve.conf file, which for example in this case you can see has two name server entries. Now if you are connecting over beam cable, these DNS server entries would look like 202.53.10.101 or 202.56.250.6, or they would look like 203.90.66.79, and so you just need to check if this information is picked up. This is typically updated because of the DHCP client that runs on the client side. Okay, so once this is done, you can try running in the traffic, as for example you could say ping www.twincling.org. So you're trying to ping twincling.org, and so now you see it resolves to 203.194.200.22, and so those are the ping responses coming from the site that hosts the Twincling website. And finally, when you do a Control-C, it will give you basic statistics saying 8 packets transmitted, 8 received, 0 packet lost. So you know, okay, your network is up and running. So guys, that's all that's there actually to setting up your network.